When a volcano erupts, lava shoots from it. It can go up to 20 miles into the air. When this happens, ash and dust go into the air and all around. This is bad for plants. Ash and dust can also be dangerous to breathe in for humans and animals. It can get into their lungs and cause sicknesses like asthma and bronchitis. They make breathing hard. Because of this, people may have to stay indoors for a while. If they go outside, they may need to wear a mask to help keep their lungs safe. Look at question 4. How far can lava go into the air when a volcano erupts?